So, here we have the tank. That's put on a heck of a lot of growth. I hear that's hard to do. Coffee plant. Kinda... is fairly slow growing, but it seems to be enjoying the light. As usual, loads of happy sap. I don't know. Yeah, moving camera. Loads of happy sap as usual. But we have some pretty good cups down here. That one's nice and green, and the other plant's cup. Say that was an old cup. I'm not sure if it's getting bigger. Seems to be just doing its thing. But yeah, that's put on a heck of a lot of growth. Ignore the Christmas lights. They'll come down eventually. Yeah, the coffee plant's enjoying it. What else is all going on around here? A couple of dead ones. Ooh, look at that picture. Try not to. Beautiful.